This guide will help you reduce server timeout issues in Cyberpunk 2077. Follow these steps to improve your gaming experience. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable and has sufficient speed. Use a wired connection if possible, as it tends to be more reliable than Wi-Fi. Step 2. Restart your router. Power cycle your router by unplugging it for about 30 seconds and then plugging it back in. This can help refresh your connection and resolve temporary issues. Step 3. Adjust network settings. Access your router settings and enable quality of service QoS if available. This feature prioritizes gaming traffic, which can help reduce latency and timeout issues. Step 4. Change DNS settings. Consider changing your DNS settings to a public DNS service like Google DNS or OpenDNS. This can improve connection speed and reliability when connecting to game servers. Step 5. Monitor server status. Keep an eye on the official Cyberpunk 2077 server status page or community forums. Sometimes, server issues are on the gamer's end, and waiting for them to resolve can be the best option. By following these steps, you should be able to lower server timeout issues and enjoy a smoother gaming experience. Happy gaming!